Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can link your Lucidchart account with Google Drive. So let us guide you through this. So in 2026 it works the following way. Navigate to your account on Lucidchart, click into your account icon in the top right and navigate next to account settings. Here on the left panel what you want to do is navigate to apps and integrations on the left hand side, and here you will be given the opportunity to authorize applications to communicate with your Lucidchart account. Connect Google Drive with it, click into link to Drive here. Make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account, of course. Click into continue. And next, assign or grant permissions here. You can select all or go one by one here, confirm. Click into continue. And after that, Google Drive will be connected with your or linked with your account on Lucidchart. And below you will also see the menu for automatic synchronization to Google Drive. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.